Hi guys, and welcome to my video. Today I am doing lots and lots of laundry, and I'm actually editing this on the day that I filmed it, so I hope you really enjoy it.
You go to my head, 'cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into win this gamble. Pull me towards you, and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me open. Only a shot away from me to be my...
Good morning, hello, or good evening, whenever you're watching this, I don't know. I am filming on the day that I'm supposed to be uploading because I've just not had my act together. So hopefully I'll get some decent content and decent videos for you. We'll see what I get and have time to actually film me doing today. Today I have just thrown on this crappy top. It's got bleach all down it, and a pair of shorts, just because I'm in a mood where I want to be comfortable. So yeah, I've just done my washing, which you probably saw, and now I'm going to just clean the kitchen. It's not overly bad, but it always needs a good clean. So yeah, let's get on with it.
Everything, 'cause you are only a shot away from me to be my...
So I'm plodding around my kitchen pretty slowly. I'm a little bit all over the place because I can't quite think straight, and I'm just drinking my coffee at the same time. And I couldn't actually find my squirty spray thing, my cleaner, so I'm wandering around a little bit aimlessly looking for that. But then I do eventually find it, and it's in the other room.
I don't cross my T's, I don't dot my I's, I won't say pretty please, or speaking little white lies. I've got a rebel soul, I've got a rebel soul, I've got a rebel soul, I've got a rebel soul. Just get down with it, down with it, down
broken chain with a ring. And I ain't no price for my soul. I've got a rebel soul. I've got a rebel soul. I've got a rebel soul. Just get down with it, down with it, down with it. Just get down. I can be good when I wanna. I just don't wanna. I can be good when I wanna. I just don't wanna. I can be a good girl when I wanna. I just don't wanna. I can be good, I can be good, but no, I got a rebel soul. Hey, I've got a rebel soul. I got a rebel soul. Yeah, I've got a rebel soul. Hey, down with it, my rebel soul. Down with it, my rebel soul. Down with it, my rebel soul. Down with it,
I actually got round to cleaning my sink today, which was a great thing to get done because it's been needing to be cleaned for a while now, and I've just been avoiding it. But it doesn't take long really when I actually get around to doing it, and I'm in the mood. I got into a bit of a zone today of cleaning, and I actually didn't film a lot of what I actually cleaned today. I was trying to organise and clean and tidy, and I just got ahead of myself, and you know, sometimes you just get in a zone and you enjoy doing the cleaning. So that's what it was like today, and when I did remember to pick up the camera, I tried to film whatever I could. So when I'm cleaning my sink, I like to use the pink stuff. It creates kind of like a layer between the sink and the water. Not in a bad way, in a good way, because it helps to protect the sink from getting really, really dirty, and it helps the water actually roll off the sink a little bit better. Plus, it also makes my sink look really nice and shiny and clean, and all you do is you kind of rub it on and then wash it off again, and just make sure it's kind of like you're polishing it, so you dry it off as well once you've kind of got all of the product off again. And look how clean and sparkly it is. I'm then trying to wash the pots, although they didn't stay gone for long. I've got another clip in a little bit where you can actually see that there's already pots in my kitchen after I did all of them today, you know. But hey ho, that's life. I attempted to vacuum my stairs. They were in a good need of vacuuming, but unfortunately halfway through my vacuum ran out of battery, so I did half of my stairs. I've also changed my outfit at this point. I spilled some stuff all over myself and I was getting really hot in my jumper, so I decided to change outfits. And then we're back again doing more laundry, and this is my last load, yay! So I actually did 4 loads of laundry today, and I was really chuffed to kind of get that done, but just the same as the pots, I wandered around the house trying to sort out the kids' rooms and found more washing, so I didn't quite get to the bottom of it. And I also need to take Leah's bed sheets off and wash them, because I don't know what she's done. I think she got a tattoo or something that she scrubbed off onto a blanket, so that's just another job. I'll probably do that later.
I know you wanna go to the city, so let's run away now. When the night comes, I'll find my way back home. Where do we go now? We're going nowhere. We're gonna miss the sky. We're gonna find ourselves in the afterlife. We're going nowhere. We're gonna miss the sky. We're gonna find ourselves in the afterlife.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button. I'm very appreciative of everybody that subscribes, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you again next time. Bye!